Hi everyone, Professor Johnson and my dog Brittany here from Crofton College, coming to you from my own home where I am in lockdown, just like you all are, for quarantine from COVID-19. What I wanted to share with you are some ways that you can work out at home even during the quarantine, and even if you don't have weights per se or fancy workout equipment at home. So I wanted to show a couple things that I have here that are off camera because it's so rainy today. So just 2 cans of soup. I would guess these are about 2.5 pounds each. And so when you have something lighter like this, and maybe you're used to using heavier weights, you're just gonna do more reps, right? You're gonna go for more reps until you get to fatigue. All right, we've got cans. We've also got water bottles, all right? And if you want to make these heavier, you can pour them out, drink them, and then put rocks in there. The rocks or sand are going to make them heavier. And of course you can find bigger bottles or even milk jugs, milk gallon jugs, and use those as weights as well. And then if you're looking for something much heavier, I was just looking around the house and found this guy, and I thought, okay, this is going to be great for getting a lot of heavier weight overhead. So let's say I'm doing a squat, I'm going to use this to keep weight up over my head to make the weight distribution above my heart heavier and make my heart work a little bit harder and get that heart pumping and so forth. Okay, so these are the kinds of things that you can do at home to help you work out from home. You don't have to have fancy equipment. So be well, be healthy, stay safe, and we'll hope to see you in person again really soon. Take care.